Intergalactic Keggar. Fan cake. That was nice.
It was. I was waiting for more though.
Yeah. What is up, Pyro Nation? We are here. Planet X Fireworks from Intergalactic Fireworks is one of their lines. This is Intergalactic Keggar. Check out the alien, the frosty thingamug. Frosty, oh my god, I can't talk today. Frosty mug of beer. 500 gram, 30 shots. Careful, read carefully statement on the side panel. You better go work, you better read it. So anyways, they have a facing towards, so this way I want to make sure your audience is sitting this side. Description is 30 shots of crackling willows with red, green, and blue dahlias. Look at all the kegs flying around everywhere. Intergalactic Keggar. So, there's your warning. Make sure you read that warning. Again, there's another warning. Look at an astronaut with a beer. Come on, how do you not like that? But there you go. Let's take a little closer look at this. Away from that glare a little bit. You know that scene, huh, guys? Men in Black. Yeah. But there we go. This is Planet X Fireworks Intergalactic Keggar.